So you're heading to New York in August. I hope you're getting excited for your trip. You're going to have a fantastic time. I'm meteorologist Ian Schwartz, and we got to get you prepared for your trip ahead. So in this video, we're going to talk about the average weather that they see in the month of August. We'll go over three things. We'll talk about the average high and low temperatures. We'll talk about the number of days of rain that they typically see. And then we'll go over the alerts that you need to know about for the month. Let's hop right into it. Well, August, it is still hot and humid in New York City. Now, by the end of the month, we'll get a little hint of fall, kind of, but it can still be really steamy and hot out there. So, as far as the average highs go, we kind of start the month on the warm side with the average highs in the upper 80s, and then we kind of trail and get into the upper 70s by the end of the month. The lows are in the 60s and the 70s, but you can still see some warm nights out there, especially with that urban heat island effect. So that's something to keep in mind. If you're going to be jogging around the city and seeing all the sights, you can still see some pretty hot temperatures in the month of August, and you still want to be kind of aware of the heat potential. As far as rain goes, there's 9 to 11 days of rain in New York in August. Now, you want to keep in mind, this is not light spring rain. There's definitely the potential for thunderstorms and severe thunderstorms. And we also are getting really into tropical season, especially in that August through October timeframe. And that's the alerts that we want to tell you about. The main alerts in August are still going to be the heat, the humidity, and now the increased hurricane risk. Hurricane season really starts to peak from August through September and October. And you can see these storms roll up the East Coast, and they can impact New York, especially if you're going to be in Long Island or areas closer to the ocean. But still, New York City can see problems when it comes to hurricanes. So that's something we definitely want you to know about. We can see very strong winds, we can see torrential rain, and then severe weather possible because of the tropical influences. So that's August in a nutshell. I really appreciate you watching this video. If there's other cities I need to check out around the world, let me know in the comments, or if you have any travel tips or hacks for New York City, I would love to hear them. I'm meteorologist Ian Schwartz. I really appreciate you being part of this. I hope you have a fantastic time in New York. Be sure to take lots of pictures and make many great memories.